Hi guys, welcome to another important part of the tutorial. Here now I will be taking you through the process whereby you are going to be making more sales. You have completed your ebook, you have designed your cover, you have uploaded your ebook. So now it now the turns for you to be making a tons of sales, because that's the major issue why you are here. That's the major reason why you want to start the business. So I'm going to take you step by step. So let us move to the computer and I will show you how you are going to get that started. Now log into your Amazon. I've logged into my own Amazon, so you can see I have the book published already. This is the book I want to use for the examples. So in Amazon we have free promotions and we have paid version of promotion. So now I will be taking you through the free version of promotion, and the free version of promotion enable you to earn money from reading your book. If anybody reads your book, you are going to make money from reading your book. You are going to be paid some certain amount from reading your book. So you come here after your book is live. The book is live now. You click on promotion and advertisement. So you click on it. When you click on promotion and advertisement, you click on enroll for KDP selection. This KDP selection, you can see with KDP selection you can reach more reader, earn more money and maximize your sales potential. When you choose KDP selection, you elect to make your Kindle ebook exclusive on Kindle. That is, your book will be available for many readers to read, and the more they read, the more you'll be gaining income. And that is different from the money they buying, the royalty you will get from buying the ebook. The royalty you will get from buying the ebook is different from the one you will get from reading the ebook. That is, with Amazon you can make tons of money even reading your book alone without buying. So but you enroll. When you enroll, you click on enroll. You have been enrolled. The book is enrolled for. It's now enrolled. Now you can now go for the free promotion. So you click on Kindle countdown deal. Kindle countdown deal. So then you select create Kindle countdown deals. You come here, you select the date you want it to start. You can select on 1, that is January 1, 2022. So then when you want to stop, 8 January 2022. Then you set the price. The normal price I set for the ebook is $4, but now I'm going for $3. Some percentage has been reduced, so that's why we are going to be making more sales. Then you click on accept, then add promotion. Then you can still go by it again. Click on it. So the first one will be promoted in USA, while this one will be on UK. So you select the date again. The date may be the same thing. Then you come here, you select this, then you change the price, then you click on continue, then you add it. Now your book is now available for promotion. Will be available both on UK, USA, and you get more readers, and the reader will lead to potential buyers. So that's how you are going to do, and you'll be making your tons of money using their free promotion. Thanks.